Apples are red, shiny and sweet, a healthy fruit we love to eat. Bananas are yellow, long and bright. Peel it and eat, such a delight. Grapes come in purple, green, or red, tiny and juicy, a bunch to spread. Oranges round, so full of juice, a glass of vitamin C